Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a common iTunes issue to tackle together. If you've ever encountered the error message the file iTunes Library.itl cannot be read because it was created by a newer version of iTunes, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix this annoying problem. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do when you encounter this error is to close the error message window. Just click that OK button, and let's move on to the next step. Next, we need to locate the iTunes Library.itl file. To do this, open the File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to the Music folder, and then find the iTunes folder within it. Inside the iTunes folder, you'll see the problematic file iTunes Library.itl. This is the file causing the issue, and we're going to fix it. Now, here comes the magic trick. We're going to rename the file. You can either delete it, but I prefer renaming it. That way, if anything goes wrong, we can easily revert to the backup file. I'll rename it to iTunes Library Bach, but you can choose any name you prefer. Just right-click on the file, select Rename, and change the name to something like iTunes Library Bach.itl, and that's it, folks. You've successfully renamed the problematic file. Now, let's test if our fix worked. Close the File Explorer and go ahead and restart iTunes. And voila! No more error message. See? It's that simple. You fixed the iTunes Library.itl cannot be read error. Your iTunes is up and running smoothly again. And there you have it, everyone. I hope this video was helpful in resolving your iTunes issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or encounter any other issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and peace out.